Times Now exclusive report first in what is perhaps the biggest breakthrough in the international fight against terror. IC-814 hijacker, planner and key financier, a man called Abdul Rauf, brother of Masood Azhar, has reportedly been caught in Chile in South America. Even as we speak, a top team of investigators is getting ready to leave for Santiago to identify the terrorists behind the biggest hijacking in Indian history ever. But Abdul Rauf's custody faces a Pakistani hurdle. Nikunj Garg with this world exclusive tonight.
Santiago, Chile. Pakistani national Abdul Rauf is arrested for human trafficking trying to cross into the country.
22 days he stayed free in Chile, the Pakistani citizen Abdul Rauf. He was investigated here in Chile for the traffic of people.
What Chilean authorities didn't know then was that he was the chief financier of the Kandahar hijackings.
Interpol detained Abdul Rauf in the north side of Chile, Iquique. Even though everything was okay with his documents, they found out there were some differences with his age that make them false. With facts that we cannot confirm right now, because it's been kept under really good silence, we can tell that the national prosecution already sent all the information and digital prints to the government of India.
He is the man who was behind the IC-814 hijacking, brother of Kingpin Maulana Masood Azhar, running a flourishing trade of human trafficking in Chile.
They were getting larger volumes of Pakistani citizens. They discovered they paid between $13,000 to $15,000 just to get to the United States. And they're using Chile as the way out.
It could be the biggest breakthrough for investigations into IC-814. But for India, the battle has only begun.
Member team drawn from RNW and CBI will leave for Chile tomorrow. But sources telling Times Now that bringing Rauf back to India would not be a cakewalk, as Pakistanis would now move to claim him, as he is their citizen, even though he has committed a crime against India.
The plane was Indian plane and the persons who were on the board were all Indians. An offence was committed in India. The fuel was taken from at Amritsar. Therefore, the offence since offence has been committed in India, India has a right to try that accused in the Indian soil.
For the survivors of the IC-814 hijacking, there is only hope of closure.
Should be brought back to the country for what they did and how they made the entire country suffer. So I feel that ultimately, you see, the law is very strong. No matter whatever you do, you cannot escape the law.
6 days of nightmare that ended with the release of this man, an image the country cannot forget. Now, hope of a breakthrough almost 12 years later. With Nikunj Garg in New Delhi, Tamanna Inamdar Datta for Times Now.